Okay, mga kawok, no? Picture this, isang dating sundalo, hawak ang kanyang bayonet ng katotohanan, biglang sumabog sa Senado. Basura, sabi niya, pero hindi yung plastic waste ha. Suitcases ng pera mula sa flood control projects na dapat nagsusave ng buhay natin sa baha. Delivered straight to the doors of powers, players like ex-speaker Martin Romualdez and Saldico. Shocking, no? Understatement of the year. Ngayon, September 29, 2025, hot off the press. Si Senador Rodante Marcoleta, our fearless truth bomber, nag-deliver ng privilege speech na parang action movie. Climax, hindi ako natatakot kay Martin Romualdez. Boom, no? Pero wait, may balita na mga sundalo pa raw magsasalita. Is this Romualdez plotting payback or just another chapter in the endless Marcos Duterte telenovela? Ako si Lan, your walk side guide to homeland politics. Simpleng kwentuhan lang tayo today. No fluff, just facts, laughs, at then that intellectual fire you crave. If you are Gen Z or millennial, tired of the same old corruption carousel, this is for you. We will dissect the flood scandal, hype up Marcoleta's hero moves, and Rose Romualdez' weak defenses. Ready? Grab your adobo, hit play, and let's walk this out. First up, the backstory that floods our feeds, mga kaibigan. Okay, simulan natin sa simula, mga kawok. Alamin nyo ha, 2024 to 2025, baha everywhere sa Pilipinas. Millions displaced ha, homes underwater literally. Government pours billions into flood control projects. Supposed to be lifelines, right? Dams, canals, tech na anti-baha. Pero anong nangyari? Anomalies, kickbacks, ghost projects, at suitcases ng basura na cash. Lintik na yan. Enter Senador Rodante Marcoleta, yung senador na hindi natatakot maging underdog sa Blue Ribbon Committee. Hearing noong September 25, 2025, nag-introduce siya ng surprise witness, Master Sergeant Orly Regala Gutesa, ex-marine turned whistleblower. Kwento ni Gutesa, nag-deliver ako ng maleta na basura, punong-puno ng pera sa bahay ni Saldico sa Quezon City at sa bahay ni Martin Romualdez sa 42 McKinley. No? Tagig. Wow, 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 wow. Pera from flood contracts daw imagine, while Pinoys are battling water with buckets, these guys are swimming in cash. Ironic, flood control na nagiging flood of corruption, mga kaibigan. Okay, fact check time muna tayo. Straight from GMA and inquiry reports, Gutesa described the deliveries vividly. Suitcases na black, heavy with basura at hindi lang isa hindi lang isa, multiple times Saldico resign na as congressman just days ago. Okay, September 28, 2025. Suspicious timing ba? Ko denied it all. But poof, gone. Classic escape artist move, mga kaibigan. Wala kayo. Hindi nyo na si Saldico, no? Mga kaibigan, no? Talagang wala. Now, the youth angle, kayo mga kabataan, this hits home. Our taxes fund this mess while we are hustling for jobs in a climate crisis Philippines. Marcoleta's pushing this probe because someone's gotta. He's like the kuya who calls out the bully, not for clout, but for justice. If corruption was a sport, Romualdez team would be disqualified for doping with public funds. Okay, mga kaibigan, di ba? Moving on to our MVP. Only Gutesa, no? Dating sundalo, 20 plus years sa serbisyo. Served in Marawi, protected us from terror. Now protecting us from thieves in suits. Sa hearing, he didn't flinch. Inaalay ko ang buhay ko para sa bayan. Sabi niya, credible, di ba? Right? Marcoleta, back him hard. Matabang at credible si Orly. Even when Romualdez Camp called him coach, a pure deflection, folks. Ayan, mga kaibigan, no? Trending tayo. Post saying more soldiers might testify. Bakit? Gutierrez's story opened the floodgates. Pun intended. Imagine, a brotherhood of ex-military tired of seeing their sacrifices mocked by politicians, pocketing flood relief cash, mga kaibigan. This is a classic power imbalance. Romualdez as ex-speaker controlled the House purse strings. Marcoleta, Senate minority fighter, often clashes with the big dogs. But here's the wit. If Gutierrez lying, why risk his pension? Nah, this guy's got the soldier's honor unbreakable. For you, youth, this is your cue. Sundalos is speaking. When will win, Share your thoughts. Anong gagawin mo if you're in Gutierrez's boots, mga kaibigan? Okay. The elephant, or should I say the flooded mansion in the room. Martin Romualdez, ex-speaker Marcos Casin, kingmaker, his response, impossible yan, no? Fabricated. Press con on September 25, pure fiction. At saka accused Marcoleta of pilit na pilit coaching Gutesa. Classic gaslighting, mga kawok. Bakit? Kasi deep down, nahihirapan na siya. Remember the ouster rumors? Last September 16, items packed out of his office, signs of shaky throne. Okay, Romualdez denials, zeros evidence, all blaster, no affidavits, no alibis, just trust me. Meanwhile, flood victims is still waiting for real help. If Romualdez is innocent, why not testify himself? Afraid of the basura questions? For the youth, this is why you question power. Romualdez represents the old guard, dynasties hoarding while we drown, no? Drone. Nalulunod. Marcoleta, fresh energy. Okay, talagang talagang hirong-hiro natin si Marcoleta, fresh energy, fighting for transparency, no? Reports hint Romualdez may plano kay Marcoleta, maybe house probes or alliances against him. But with Sundalo speaking, good luck, speaker, no? Can we say ex-speaker, mga kaibigan? Even VP Sara chime in with her own luggage of cash shade, no? Wait, that's another episode. Ha ha ha. Family feud goals. Okay, fast forward. Today, alam nyo, dapat po magalit ang mga congressman kay Martin Romualdez. Biruin mo, sirang-sira na nga ang House of Representatives, sinira pa niya lalo. No? Marcoleta's privilege speech, pure fire. Hindi ako natatakot kay Martin Romualdez. He blasted the Senate for parliamentary courtesy shielding ko. No? Called out close-minded senators like Soto and Lacson for doubting Gutesa. Matapang at credible. Boom, no? This is intellectual jujitsu at turning attacks into momentum. Why favor Marcoleta, no? He's consistent. Push probes on Comelec scams before. Now, this. No dynasty baggage. Just a lawyer, senator grinding for accountability. If his speeches were battles, Marcoleta's the underdog who drop kicks the giant. No? Para sa mga kabataan, he is modeling courage. In a world of TikTok trends, here's a real activism. Use your voice like he does. Okay, this ties, to bigger Philippine drama, no? Budget pork, 2025 anomalies, halos lahat ng senators may singit, sabi ng reports. But Marcoleta's calling it out, hero status, unlock, mga kaibigan. Yan. Paano ang susunod, Mga sundalo magsasalita na. Gutierrez just the first, no? Sa ex-boss nga, no? Brotherhood rallying. Romualdez plotting. Maybe with Sara Duterte throwing shade too, this feud's escalating. From Tribune, Romualdez slammed the coaching, but no proof. This is your homeland, mga kawok. Don't just scroll, organize, vote smart, demand probes. Marcoleta's fight, ours too. No? If politics is a flood, let's be the damned, not the leak. Okay, mga kaibigan, mga kawok, that's the tea. Hot, steamy, and flood-proof. Marcoleta's the real deal, Romualdez, time to drain the swamp. Like if you're Team Truth, subscribe for weekly walkouts and comment. Sundalo next. Peace out. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.